Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.
Hina Khan made her television debut in the year 2009 with Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, and Rocky Jaiswal was serving as the supervising producer of the show. That's where the two fell in love. While talking to a media portal, Rocky recalls what made him fall in love with Hina and says, "We met on the sets of Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai for the first time. What attracted me to her was her dedication to her work. I have seen a lot of actors, but she is one of the smartest of the lot. It is almost unreal if you find a person who is so honest all the time. She calls a spade every single time, and that's the most important thing I love about her. Besides, she is the prettiest woman in the world." And guess what? Rocky Jaiswal did arrive on the sets of Khatra Ke Khiladi when she was feeling homesick. Rocky's sudden appearance on the show just after one Insta post from Hina got the balls rolling, and people started speculating that there is something brewing between the two. Later, when she was asked about her relationship with Rocky, she said, "Rocky is very special to me, no doubt. We are best friends." When Hina Khan was a contestant on Big Boss 11, in one of the episodes in which the contestants' family members had to appear on the show, Rocky Jaiswal came inside the Big Boss house and proposed Hina on national television. Eye to eye, he spoke the following beautiful lines. "हमने आपको पता है बहुत सारा वक्त साथ में बिताया है. मैंने आपके बिना जो वक्त देखा है उससे बुरा कोई वक्त नहीं हो सकता. प्लीज बिग बॉस जैसे ही खत्म होता है अपना सारा वक्त मेरी जिंदगी के लिए दे दो. I love you." Later, after the season ended, when Hina was asked about how she felt about Rocky's gesture of proposing her on national TV, she revealed, "It was kind of sweet surprise for me as well. I wasn't prepared for it and neither was it planned. It just happened. I usually don't talk about my personal life, but over there, you become so overwhelmed. The moment I saw him, I could not control myself, and when it was not a proposal, we were in love before as well. But the way he said it, I could not hold back and said back, 'I love you too.' It was sweet. I will always remember and cherish that moment." Post Rocky's proposal, everyone wanted to know if their parents approved their relationship. In a media interaction, Rocky happily revealed that yes, he and Hina have each other's family's approval. He was quoted as saying, "Families were already aware about our relationship. They are extremely close to each other. In fact, I am very close to Hina's family, so nothing shocked or surprised them. Families are very happy that we don't need to keep our relationship under the wraps anymore." Ever since Hina and Rocky's relationship came under the radar of the public eye, everyone have been waiting to know the answer to the big question of their marriage. Both are successful and love each other deeply and madly, so what's stopping them to tie the knot? Recently, when Hina was asked about the same, she had said, "No, not at all. If anything happens, it will be marriage, which I've already said won't happen anytime before 3 years. I don't understand why can't they do without making news that includes me. This is nonsense." Well, we are head over heels in love with this awesome couple, just like they are with each other. And now that their relationship is out in public along with their parents' approval, we really hope the two get married soon. Guys, how did you like Hina and Rocky Jaiswal's love story? Drop your comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Tellychucker for more such updates.